Hey everybody, it's me Sharina here. I just decided to make a video today. You guys know I'm not really used to being on camera, so I'm not really all that comfortable. And plus, I don't know why it's so hot out here. It's really hot, and I got the sun all in my face, so I guess I really do want to keep this short. Basically, like I've been getting a lot of messages and phone calls from like so many different people. I still get people calling me that's interested in joining Wake Up Now because I still have ads up and everything. Like my number is like all around the city, Craigslist, like a whole bunch of different things. But like unfortunately, like it is true, I'm not in Wake Up Now anymore. I canceled my subscription maybe like last week. I think about last week. And a lot of people have left Wake Up Now. Like, I can't really speak for them, like, I really like Wake Up Now. I think they have, really good products. They had a few products that, like, everybody could use and stuff like that. Which, is really crazy because, I guess with that being said, like, I actually didn't use any of the products that Wake Up Now had to offer. I know it does sound crazy. A lot of people know I joined Wake Up Now for the One Speak, because I want to learn some different languages. And I also joined because of for the vacation clubs, because I like to take vacations and trips and stuff like that. But just like in this time of my life, like I just wasn't able to use those. I mean, like I still have a full-time job, and I joined Wake Up Now to start it and run it as my business. So like I was just really just sticking to like all my business matters and stuff like that, like trying to educate people on like how the business works and like saving money and making and managing money and stuff like that. So I was paying my monthly subscription and stuff like that, but I mean it wasn't like I didn't really get like products. I didn't really get anything for it. I mean, it was up to me. I could have used the local app, to save money and stuff like that. But I mean, like I said, I was like really on a go, on a run, and I just didn't really take the time out to use those things. So it kind of was brought to my attention, that I should probably find something better for me. I actually came across someone like on my Facebook. He reached out to me and invited me out to like dinner, like well to meet up basically, and we decided to go to dinner. I was kind of skeptical at first because we just have only spoke just on Facebook. I didn't really know him, but I looked at his profile and I've seen that he's like international marketing and training and basically all that stuff that I need because I am new to network marketing and it's a lot of stuff that I need to learn. So this guy reached out to me and just wanted to meet up. So I'm like, I'm not going to say no to that. So yeah, I just said yeah. I was free when he was in town because he's not from here. But so that's why I really took out some time to meet him because I'm like I don't even know when I would get a chance to meet him or whatever. So so I decided to meet up with him. I got to the restaurant before him and I called him and asked him where he was, and he told me that him and Billy Funk was going to be there in like a few minutes. I was like, Billy Funk? like, I don't know if you guys know, but Billy Funk, he's like a real big deal, and just not too long ago, I have tried to contact him because he's dealing with the company Canaway, and I was really interested in being a brand ambassador. So I was like trying to reach out to him, but I actually didn't get any response from him. It makes sense, he's pretty busy and stuff like that. So when this guy said that he was bringing Billy to dinner, I was just like, what? That was just a little bit crazy or whatever. So but no, like they came in and we was sitting down, we had dinner, drinks. Of course I was asking them questions. They actually was there to help, like they said. I was asking them for training on like trying to get prospects offline and stuff like that because I do a lot online, but I really wanted to get better at finding prospects like offline and stuff like that. So they was just like talking to me about stuff that they do and tips, and they was giving me tips and all that good stuff. Upon us leaving, or like departing, they kind of told me a little about Canaway. I mean, besides, I had to bring up Canaway because, like I said, I sent Billy a message. I told him to go on Facebook and look up my name and see the message that I sent him. And surely he seen the message that I sent him like a few months ago. So it was, like I said, it was a little crazy. So I just asked him a little bit more about Canaway and stuff like that. And Austin, who was actually, he reached out to me. That's who I met up with. They're crazy about the products and everything like that. Like, they was telling me about it, like they love it and everything. Austin, he actually gave me a pen. He gave me this pen. It's CBD oil. I must say I didn't really know nothing about it. I don't have a pen like this though, so I really wanted, of course I took it because it's like so cute, and like everybody has a vape pen or something to smoke on and stuff like that. So I took it, but I didn't really know what to do with it, So but I just carried it around with me all the time, like I said, I have a full-time job. I work overnight, so I took it to work with me, and I work 12 hours. And like in between my shifts, I would like take some puffs on this, like right upstairs in the bathroom. Like I don't have to go outside because it's not like it's smoke or anything. So I would just puff on this, like on my breaks every now and then. And at the end of the night, I realized like I was still up. Like I wasn't tired at all. Like I'm usually like every night that I work, like we're in there like falling asleep. We're like walking around like zombies. But this thing, it had me like up, just, a lot more focused and alert. I was more talkative and stuff like that. I mean, I do talk a lot, but I was just like talking people's ears off, like for the first few nights that I was trying this. And it just really hit me. I'm like, yo, maybe it's this that's really like, that has the change in me, because like I said, I'm usually at work falling asleep and stuff like that. So, like I use this pen like every day now, so of course I do love it. And I just started doing some research on it, on the CBD and the benefits of it like that, and it's just crazy. I'm like really blown away by like just all the benefits of CBD. So then, like I said, this is one of Canaway's products. So I looked back into Canaway. I checked out their other products. They have like skincare line and beauty products, and they have energy supplements, which I also got to sample too. They gave, like Austin, he gave me some Canna Kicks. They're like fruit chews. They have CBD oil in it, and like they give you energy. And that was just crazy because I also, like, he gave me them to sample, and I have like the best place to sample them at, like at my job where I'm always falling asleep. So like I said, I took that to work too also, and it definitely made a big difference. Like I was just like running around at work. I wasn't tired at all. I think it says it lasts up for like 3 hours. I wasn't really like tracking the time and stuff like that. I just know I was up. I don't remember when I actually finally got tired or whatever. So basically, I'm in Canaway now. Just to keep it short and sweet. I mean, I'm already using the products, like every day. So I think that just makes a lot more sense to me, for me to be in this business, to look for customers that want to use my products, because it's like I'm using them, I really like them, they really work and stuff like that. So now I feel better, trying to get other people to check out my products, because I'm like, yo, I know they're going to use these products, and I know they're going to love these products, and I know they're going to tell other people about these products. I mean, just the fact that it's CBD and it has so many medicinal benefits, it's just like so many people can benefit just from having like, one of these products, or maybe even all of them, like I'm pretty sure I'm going to have all of them so far. Like right now I have my pen, I have Canna Kicks, I have like the bath soak. It's like detoxing soak. I haven't used it yet, I guess I'm like waiting for a special occasion. But the salve, oh my gosh, the salve is, I was a little confused about the salve because I guess I didn't know what it do either, because it's just like a cream. They say use the cream and it'll make you feel better, and I'm just like, all right, what is that going to do? So I guess I kind of read up on it a little bit more, and basically it like not only does it like make your skin better and stuff like that, like it also like takes away pain, and it prevents pain too. So it's like you can use it before you like do a lot of like hard work and stuff like that. So I guess you won't like really feel the pain. So I had it and I didn't really know when to use it. Crossing the street, I didn't really know when to use it. I mean, I guess like I didn't really have any pain at the time, so I just waited till I did have some pain, and I put it on my back, and just the results was really crazy. Turn around now because you can't really see me. All right, anyway, the salve is just really crazy. Like I really do like it. I actually like made a different video just about the salve, so I don't want to go like keep going in about the salve, but basically I love the products. All that what I've had so far, trust me, is other products that I didn't get, but I do plan on getting. And so like I'm going to go with Kannaway. I'm stick with Kannaway because I like their products. I really believe in the products. And I'm in a really good position, you know. Kannaway is based right here in San Diego, like right where I am. So I can get to corporate in like less than a half an hour, you know. Like I got like a totally different kind of support than I've had in like any of my other companies, you know. Versus, you know, I was just dealing with like sponsors, you know. Now I'm kind of dealing more with corporate, so I'm getting like a lot of more help and support that me personally I really do need, because I'm such a newbie to like all this stuff. So I am really happy that I made this decision. It was really hard, you know, because of Wake Up Now. Like, you know, I really like Wake Up Now, so it was a hard decision, but I know this was the best decision, really. Like just from all the support that I'm getting, you know, I'm just happy. I'm so happy. So I hope you guys stay tuned and watch some more of my videos. Hopefully they will be getting better. They won't be so like this. Looking at myself looking all greasy right now. But I told y'all it was hot. I didn't really think it was going to be this hot outside. But until next time, I guess maybe I'll be prepared. Bye.